Welcome to the Bonneville Salt Flats, 30,000 acres of salt. For us this year, 30,000 acres of a lake 3 inches deep. Our first night of shooting on the Bonneville Salt Flats found high winds and cold temperatures, but that didn't stop us from getting epic photos. We had an amazing time with our model Ryan and Mrs. Utah International 2019, Robin Towle. Guess what happens when a couple driving their 65 Mustang across country from California to Minnesota stops at the Bonneville Salt Flats during a Chopstick Guy workshop? That's right, you become part of the workshop. At the workshop, we had 2 very special guests. Voder Kellerman, a Grammy Award-winning flautist from South Africa, along with Lonnie Park, a Grammy-nominated pianist from New York State. After an evening of shooting out in the cold weather, it was back to the hotel where we were given an impromptu concert by Voder and Lonnie and enjoyed some incredible snacks.
Love flow, flesh and steel on one, drying in the cusp of the evening sun.
It seemed like as soon as our heads hit the pillow, it was time to wake up. We were back out at the Salt Flats at 5:30 a.m. The Chopstick Guys were making a very special music video for Voder and Lonnie Saturday morning. The class was able to come along and see that happen.
The light's gonna change a bunch, and I'm gonna yell a lot, and nobody take it personal. I'm just gonna try to keep things moving because we're gonna be changing exposure. We're gonna be moving, trying to get things. So if you feel like, oh man, he's being a jerk, whatever, I'm just trying to move it. No, don't mean anything to anybody. So I just, otherwise it'll get out of control. So I just want to apologize ahead of time.
After the video shoot, bring on the models, bring on the talent, and it was back to full-on portrait mode. one thing you can always be sure of with the Chopstick Guys is there's always something special. We were able to take the group to the Enola Gay airplane hangar in Wendover. This is the hangar that they got the Enola Gay as well as other atomic bomb carrying planes ready for World War II. After just a brief time to rest, it was back out to the salt flats for our final session. Saturday was extremely special. We had 4 very talented models come and join us. At the end of the evening, the Chopstick Guys filmed their last scene for the music video. When we called it a wrap, Voter and Mary Claire, our ballerina, treated us to a special impromptu performance that none of us are going to soon forget. This is Mark, the other Chopstick Guy, saying thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And check out our website and find out when you can participate in one of our live photography workshop events. And don't forget, say sushi.